YouTubers, Garfield sign on. So this is my new battery bank I've been working on now for the past 7 months. This is the new setup. I move all the Nissan Leaf and Chevy Volt over to my workshop. That's a different system altogether. And this is all Tesla batteries I have here. Each one of these cells are 5.3 kilowatt. There are 14 of them. In this battery cabinet here, there are two modules to each shelf. And but I just run it off at a 5 kilowatt per module. That take me to probably about 70 kilowatt in storage I have here. So this is in case it's all plexiglass with neon light, as a background lighting. I got fan at the bottom here that pumps air into this cabinet. At the back of it, there's an exhaust port at the back. That module you see behind there, that's what control all 5 fans down here, and it's temperature controlled. So the hotter it gets inside there, it's the faster those fans will speed up. My USB port here, plus a cigarette lighter port for charging my phone or my little 12-volt vacuum. In here I have 7 BMS. One it's 14 module altogether. This cabinet could still hold 4 more batteries, but for now I'm fine. It's 14 modules inside here, and 1 BMS to each shelf in here. So I have 5 100 amp balance BMS from Dali BMS, and then I have 2 150 amp JK BMS inverter BMS. But that's the system here. Behind here I have 2 400 amp bus bar sitting behind here, and there's a temperature sensor in here that controls monitor the fan speed or the temperature inside here, and it increases as the temperature rises. I got 2 switch right here that if I don't feel like to turn on the background blue light, I could turn it off. Same thing, I could turn off the fans module if I don't feel like to have it running. Up here is my fail-safe dump load controller I'm also building out. That should, in case if for whatever reason any of these BMS fails for whatever and causes the inverter to keep charging or to go over my set voltage of 50.2 volt, the trigger in here will trigger it off those grid tie to dump the excess voltage in here. So let me take the cover off so you could see what's behind here. And there it is. I'm still working on it. It's not finished as yet. Still waiting on a part from Amazon. But apart from it, let me step back, give you a better viewing of the whole thing. But there it is. Let me put this cover back on. And my inverter here, my 10K from Watts 247. It's a 10K grid feed inverter as well. You could feed into the grid if you want. And that's my exhaust fan. And that's a little temp sensor up there that controls this exhaust fan. And like I said, there's a temp sensor inside here that monitors the temperature within this battery cabinet here. And yes, if I want to open it up, I can open it up. It's sitting in hinges right there. But that's it. Let me turn off the light so you could see the background effect. And that's what it looks like. Let me turn off the light in the battery box so you could see. And that's it. That is what it looks like. And those are my BMS sitting behind here. And that's the control module that controls the 5 fan that's sitting here. Anyway, that was just a quick video update. Garfield signing off.